In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from the platform BTCC. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BTCC, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use your Google or Apple account, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, to check out your bonuses, simply go up here to benefits and click on exclusive to new users. Then you can see an overview of the different missions you need to complete in order to get these bonuses. For example, the first one you can get directly after the sign up, then after you've made your first deposit and opened your first trades. And as you can see down here, the more you deposit and trade over time, the higher of a bonus you can get, with a total of up to $10,000. So to withdraw any crypto from your BTCC account, we first need to transfer it to our wallet account. So simply go here to transfer and choose from futures or spot, wherever you have the money, to your wallet account. And then if you go back to your assets in wallets, if you have it in here, we can now withdraw it. And to do that, we simply go up here, click on withdraw. Then right here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In my case, I'm going to choose USDT and also select a network. Of course, just make sure that you're using the same network as of the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money to. In my case, I'm going to choose the Tron network right here, and then paste in here the address where I want to send the money. Down here, I am simply going to choose whether the exchange that I'm using. You can also click on others and just type it in, or just in this case, for example, if I'm sending to my own wallet, just choose Trust Wallet in here. Then up here, you will see your available balance. Of course, if you don't see it right here, make sure you transfer it to your wallet account as I've shown you first. And then I'm simply going to click on all right here. And now all I need to do is just click down here on confirm, and then the money will be sent over directly. If you're sending larger amounts, I definitely recommend you to first send a small test transaction. And once you've received everything, send the remaining amount with a second transaction. And if you're also interested in how to withdraw money directly to your own bank account in a fiat currency, I've made a separate video on that I linked down in the video description. Don't forget to create an account on BTCC by using the link down from the video description to get up to $10,000 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.